Hey guys, so look at this slime that we made. It's so cool. Oh no, do you see who made it? Me and my dad. Me and my dad made the slime. It's not really. It was actually me. And be right back, guys.
Deja,
I
guarda esto ahí
had a
para
little bit of
otro trabajo.
pink, oops, and mix it up a little. I kind of added some pink, so we can add like pinkish and like that stuff. Oh no, the glitter! That. Oh no. It's really good. Even my hair is on it. And look at the slime. And it didn't get really good, but it still works. It's raining sparkles. Add some more little. We even have another pack, so we have another pack of sparkles. And we had another.
Y después hacemos más otro día.
Yep. And we already added, so there's 2 packs, and we added 2 packs, and added 2 packs. These are 2 packs in it. Mami, ¿se puede botar esto? Pues
No lo botes para alguna cosita que haya que hacer. ¿Eh?
Look at my hands. I need to wash my hands after. Pero lo hicimos. It looks like blood. It's so squishy. We needed to add like glitter or something because. Oh no, I have some glitter. You need
Tony, yo creo que esto se debe botar. Estas 2 cositas, porque esto va a estar ahí.
No, Mommy, mira, quise add color.
Se usan.
Oh, I broke it. That's how it looks like inside, and these are put them back together. Yeah, some hair on it.
Pues tienes que lavarte bien las manos.
And break it in half.
Parece un pan.
You see, my mom said que parece pan. If you guys speak in Spanish, you guys know. Esto parece un pan. It looks like bread broken in half. Slime bread. We made slime bread. That's how it looks like inside. So we'll put it back. I'm drinking water. Yeah, I'm drinking water. You feel it? Ooh, look at that. Ha, 7 years. Yummy. Back here. Ooh. Look at that. Oh. Mapang. Mira, mapang. We'll put it back together. Oh, here's my baby sister. So you might not notice her. Here she comes. She's kind of nervous. Sprinkler. Slime! My name is Lab. I love slime and I love kitties. And look at it. Keep on touching it. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna try to break it. That's funny. It looks like a piece of bread. me get some sparkles right here. And I ain't got no money and I'm trying to be funny and I'm looking over days. I don't know if I'm fine. Hey! That baby. Whoa. That's weird. She didn't like it. I was back from the bathroom. So how did the baby like it? Should she like it? No, she didn't.
A ver, dame. ¿Qué tienes las manitos rojas?
It's a paint.
¿Ah?
Do you know why I'm like kind of like messy? Because I made the slime with my dad and it got a little messy. So let's mix this together so we can look like slime. And we're just playing with it for a little because I have to go to bed soon. Just took a shower, so okay. Let me make something. Like, what should I make? Okay. Okay. Just like that, like a piece of bread. Chop it in half. I'll put it back like this. Like that. So, here's the back. Here's this. Look at that. It's broken. It doesn't really work good. Use the one that. Here, I'll show you the box how it looks like. I'll get that. This is the box. And I did it on a video, and she did it. Whoop. This is a slime. That's how I look like now. Okay. Oops. And that's how it looks like. And we failed on this, but no, it was the first time to make a slime. And we didn't have like surprise, so we bought this one instead. We bought it at Rose, and we bought it at Rose. I can't show you the price because people would think that they say, oh no, it's blah blah blah. I'm gonna go buy it, and I don't want them because people show them, and they don't want them to know. It's like a marshmallow. Oh, look at that inside. Look how cool that is. I don't even have to show my friends, but look at that. Look at that. My mom's making a Herbalife shake. If you guys don't know what Herbalife is, it's like a program, and then this is what my mom's making. My mom's making Herbalife. Yep. She thinks it's a photo, but it's not. Okay. Now, okay. So, we are now making slime. We made slime. It's kind of all like rainbow and not like white in the side and like rainbow kind of colors. Whoa! Oh, thank goodness. Hey, what's up? No. Oh, I'm trying to go to bed, guys. Come on, Sissy, time to go to bed. And bye, you.
Ya, lávate la cara y las manos. Ya, ya no me va a ver.
That baby. Look at that. You're so lucky. You're really quirky. Oh. Look at that. Bye, guys. Three, time to. Come on, you have to go to bed. Tomorrow's school. Look. Peace.